Hi guys, this is just a quick tutorial about a Parkside circular saw PHKS 1450. Yesterday we've been working and that's what happened. We just found that the carbon brushes are completely gone. They're absolutely wasted. And you have a quick look, the collector is also completely black, as you can clearly see. So I'm going to clean this, and then I'm going to pop in the new collector which I bought for £6 from Amazon. Now bear in mind, I bought this machine in Aldi in 2005, and he's been working for hours and hours and hours, and now potentially for £6 I can fix it. So stick with it, let me clean the collector, and I shall be back with some more information. Right guys, so basically what's gonna happen here, so this is what I have to clean here. And what I'm gonna do, open up the wheel here, right? Take a little bit of kitchen cleaner and put that right here, carefully, yeah, carefully, and then just move the saw, move the saw a little bit, yeah, nice and gently. And that should clean it from all that carbon. As you can see, it's now quite nice and shiny. I still have to do a little bit more, but you just have to keep doing it. Right, so these are the new carbon brushes. They just go right there. Just pop it in, push them in, and then with a screwdriver, yeah, just fix them. That's it. And on the other side as well, push that little thingy down. Make sure they don't popping out. Excellent. That's it. Now this is the difference, guys. This is a difference. This was the broken one, so it almost damaged the machine, and this is a half-used one, so it's basically the half of it. That's it. Go right in there, popping it in. In, and the connector now on the top, and the case is closed. Look at this. Number one is done. Number two, off you go. Just check the difference, check the usage here. This was all completely used up, and the another one, I mean, absolutely incredible. That's it. So very poor maintenance on my side on this machine, but from now on I will maintain it. As I said, I bought it in 2005 in Aldi in Tottenham, and ever since this is working for me. Case closed, and now just popping it then back into that place. Yeah, right, connector. And that's it, guys. So here's the piece of paper from Amazon, but I will also put a link in there for you to see. Now we're just popping back the screws. 4 screws, and the job is done. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. So no sparks, absolutely perfect. Look at that.